equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Conga 990 and unplug it from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the underside of the vacuum. You will see a series of screws holding the cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. Take a moment to clean the inside of the compartment with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting the performance of your vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Now, you will see the battery secured in place. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the battery. Be careful not to damage the wires. If you have a new battery, connect it by aligning the connector and pushing it firmly into place. Ensure it is secure before proceeding. After the new battery is connected, place the battery cover back on. Align it properly and press down gently. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the plastic. Once the screws are in place, give the vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's important to keep your device looking clean and well maintained. Now, plug your Conga 990 back into the charger and turn it on. Allow it to charge fully before using it again. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, changing the battery in your Conga 990 is a straightforward process that can be done with minimal tools. Regular maintenance, including battery changes, will help extend the life of your vacuum. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We are here to help you keep your home clean and your devices running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.